Smita Ganatra from Mumbai. Today I'll be showing you falafel salad. Now I'll be putting the green salad which are torn by hand and I've kept in ice water. So I'm spreading the green salad, spreading the cucumber, feta cheese, fresh mint, around 8 to 10 leaves, fresh herbs, sliced green olives, cherry tomatoes. Now I'm placing the falafel, black pepper and salt. Now the ingredients for the dressing: thick yogurt. Now I am putting sour cream, virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 tablespoons tahini paste, little bit of cold water. Now I will be grinding it. After grinding it, I am putting the dressing over the salad. You can put the salad according to your taste.